and all dignitaries on dais, Rajesh Khurana ji, KP Singh ji. DGST Group now is in 4th year. On 15th May, we shall complete 4 years of this group on a trot. And today is the 92nd session without any interruption, without any charge. And around 20 people of core committee, the kind of work they do, I cannot explain in words. To work with a person like me, because I don't do any other work, I work only this. It's a difficult proposition, and they all find time, study, teach us so that we can do a bigger service to the entire profession, to the youngsters. I always like to speak on New Year. I've spoken at many places. I shared a story of Gayatri Panchal, who met me in Jaipur. I will not repeat the story. That was very touching. I never knew who this woman is. And I have my driver with me, and he said, I want to talk to you. So my driver is a kind of a spy to my wife. So it was very scary stuff. You know, you should resolve hard work will never make you successful. I have not found any person who does hard work to become successful. गधे घोड़े सब भोजा ढोते हैं सारा दिन. Success doesn't sell them. Knowledge will make you successful. Knowledge plus hard work. Not hard work alone helps you. And knowledge starts with intention. Like you have come here on a new year in this weather, all of you, so you must intend to do something. And do something which you want to do. That is, if you are living a life on a set principle, that is no life. You should be a weird liver. Our Guru S.C. Bhatia is the biggest example of living a very weird life. उनको चाय पीनी है, वो इतना बड़ा नाटक करना है चाय पीने के लिए, you feel like, come on यार, forget it यार. 40 साल से इनको वही लिनन पैंट, लिनन सूट, लिनन शर्ट, वही साले सबसे सस्ते जूते करोल बाग में मिलते हैं, वही पहनेंगे वो. Why I'm saying so? That is how you live life on your terms. Intention takes you to passion. If you are not passionate about doing something, success will never touch you. Short-term money you can make, yes, हेरा-फेरी जो आप करते हो करो. If you are passionate, that leads to dreams. That is the process of growing up. But dreams without goals have no meaning. These kind of study sessions help us lean into our dreams. How to achieve them. Have a dream. No big thing, but only dream the world not do. I can dream I want to marry Madhuri Dixit. So will this happen? May not. Maybe yes. Maybe yes, why not? So that should be a goal. How to catch her? So between dream and goal, the distance is very large. You must lean into your dreams. That is very important. Wherever I go, wherever I give lectures nowadays, no sir, we have to fall back on something, we have to continue to do this. Falling back is a nonsense. You have to fall forward. Thomas Edison, who discovered bulb, it's a documented story, he failed 1,000 times. And 1,000th first attempt, he created a light bulb. That was converted later to light bulb.
Yes. And he was not a scientist.
Rowling of Harry Potter. Her 15 attempts to convince people were rejected. She persisted. That is, when you fall forward, we know what are you going to hit. You can't fall back. That's a very easy thing. You गिर गया तो मर गया तो क्या हो गया? So believe in theory of falling forward, not falling backward. We shall fail. Simply because you don't know what to do, how to do something, you are getting feared of failure. No. Fail, better fail. That will make you succeed. That will make you persevere. Okay, we have to do something. When you opened this group, there were a lot of politicians in our bar who were talking all kind of nonsense. They in any case talk nonsense, I know, for certain. We didn't bother. So your work and action should speak. You don't have to do the rhetoric. Call people names, confront them, give them answers. There's no need. Let them do their job. We don't have to do their job by reacting to what they tell us. That's very important in life. Failure is a part of life. Till 34 years of my life, even after marriage, I had a very miserable life. Genuinely miserable. For whatever ABC reason. But had I quit, imagine you wouldn't be seeing me here. Persist with your dreams. Convert them into goals. Find strategies and ways and means how to do it. I never went to an English school. I studied in a government school, Bharat Nagar, where my name is still there on the merit list. My fees was 9 paisa per month. 9 paisa. I don't feel shy saying this story. Even after marriage, on many days, we didn't have food to eat, both of us. But we did not succumb to pressure. As professionals, you have to take this pressure. Any easy route, one day you will regret. I assure you, you will regret very badly. Any easy route, any shortcut to success, it doesn't happen. So don't be afraid of of failing. We saw in mood tribunals in this group, many people who would have never appeared before an assistant commissioner. They were arguing before the full bench, and our mentor, Mr. Bhatia, said, it is much more than a high court bench. But they persisted. They went through that pressure. They went through their drafting, redrafting, legal reading, blah, 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 blah. And the CA Renu Sharma, who would have never done an appeal in her whole life, she won Star of the Mood Tribunal. And all 3 members unanimously selected her. That's what your knowledge does to you, not hard work. हम घर में बोलते हैं ना, यार रात को 9 बजे तक काम करते हैं. Then what? It is the choice you have to make about your life. Let others not determine your choice. Make a choice to be happy. Money will never give you happiness, because I have earned a lot of money. Money has no direct correlation with money, happiness. You have to choose to be happy. Never believe in trivials. होते ना बाहर में, यार उसने मेरे को ये बोला, उसने मेरे को ये बोला, उसने मेरे को गाली दी, फाली दी. These are trivial things. Get away from it. Don't waste your time. Never sit with people who gossip about the women, about the leaders, about gali dena, phali dena. Once in a while it's okay. I never sit with people. As professionals, if you want to be good human beings too, learn to live alone. You are not living in an era today where you need a huge gathering to live by and do tata, papa, ha ha, khama kha batein. No. Keep away from any vice you have. Drinking, smoking, gambling, bribing. Just get away. Make your life and lead it on principle of KISS. Keep it simple and stupid, so that your son, your wife, your daughter, your friends know what kind of a character you are. Like we know Mr. S.C. Bhatia. I always say S.C. Bhatia doesn't know law more than us. I'm very sure about it. But the principles he has evolved in his life, this is far bigger than the profession. You can dig out anybody's history in profession. Harish Salve married 3 times. For whatever reason. That affects us. I would not like to make him my role model, ever. Let him make a 50 lakh rupees per hearing. I will not. I will make Mr. Prashant Bhushan as my role model, who can speak for poor. This group, for last 7-8 months, has learned to help people. Help is not money alone. Whatever you have love, you have patience, you have knowledge, you have time, you have money. Anything you can share with people who need it, that's a help. Even if you stop a rickshawala who is doing his rickshaw work in the early morning, make him stop, hug him. You're doing a good job. That's also help to him. So money is not the only source where you help people. You may have anything in plenty. Do it. And always ensure you walk with your head and chest up. If you have to bow down your head because of your mistakes, that life is half lived. Live your life fully. That is much more critical. Living half life is no life. Some people may have much more than what you think you can have. Don't follow them. You have smugglers. You have GST evaders. They make crores and crores. Are you supposed to follow them? No. Make your choice what you wish to do. And once you make a choice and you want to do something, then you have to do something which you have never done. Then you can achieve it. You want to be a litigant lawyer? Yeah, you have to go through section 2, which you have never done in your life. So if you want to be a cut above the rest, do something which others will not do and which you have never done. Then you race ahead. Whenever Mr. Bhatia talks about this group, because he loves all of you, he talks very highly of it. I'm sure he can also do a lot of analysis of this group. The only message I get is that this group has only one mission. There is no other mission. I don't ever give my even card to anybody in this group. I never give anywhere in any case. It's to help younger people. It's not a show off. We are not into marketing. And this group will never do it. But continue to do it. Last, before I close, take a message which I have learned in my own way. People don't have to respect you. They don't have to like you. They don't have to love you. There is no duty cast upon them. But once you comb your hair in the mirror, that's the person you have to love. If you love that person, I'm a very ugly looking character, but I think I'm the smartest on the earth, because I like to be smart. So don't seek validation. Sushil Verma will come, Mr. Bhatia will come, he will pat us. No, you don't require it. As long as you know yourself, seeing yourself in the mirror, you are good. That is enough. Don't bother about anything else. Keep your family intact. This group is a family. So once you associate with this group, remember, we are all a family. Our values must not be demeaned. We don't want people to be arrested from this group. चोरी करता पकड़ेगा उसको जेल हो गई. कोई लड़ाई झगड़ा हो गया, किसी ने मार दिया, किसी क्लाइंट से आपने चीटिंग कर ली, never get into it. And coming 6 months for DG as a group is quite challenging. Want to see a session on European VAT? Mr. Bhatia is heading that committee on European VAT. He comes and attends all the meetings. You will see our GST is a extremely very small percentage, minuscule percentage of what happens in the world. Labor codes. There are 10 people who are examining all the labor codes. Out of 10, 6 I'm very sure they are not going to do practice ever. Mr. KP Singh, Rajesh Khurana ji. So there are people who are devoting their time to teach us about labor codes. 854 sections reduced to 200 sections. So that's a huge, they have made, all the provisions they have made a kind of a pressy. The good or bad, we are not into policy making. We are into interpreting law. 2 full day sessions we'll have, 2 days in this hall only, where we will tell you the law, important concepts, compliances, forms, and the draft contractor agreement, appointment letters, and other issues that govern us. They are all under preparation. Second series of moot tribunal. Give your names if you want to argue. It will be random. Each day will have 6 appeals on different topics. In GST, there are total 9 topics. That's all. So these appeals will revolve around 9 topics. Well, before I close, I will request Rajmani Jindal and S.A. Bhatia sir to honor our convener with Hero of 2025 group. Could you please come here, sir? Rajmani was the heroine of 2024 and he is their driver. Narendra Vijay is their driver of all the women in the group. So he gets the hero's welcome.
तो क्या मुझे ड्राइवर का वार्ड में
आइए सर।
ड्राइवर में छोड़ रहे
सर वो लेना ही मेरे से लेना चाहते ही नहीं वो आपसे लेना चाहते हैं।
नहीं आप भी आएंगे।
जा नहीं पाया बल्कि लाना था मुझे।
चलो उधार रहा। उधार
ये क्या ये
मैं भी कह रहा हूँ
मेरे को कितनी बार दोगे क्या
जो देना चाहते थे वो दे दे।
सर आइए प्लीज।
आइए नरेंद्र जी।
थैंक यू
क्या कर रहे हो
This for him, not for you. You have to give it to आपको तो कुछ नहीं दे रहे आज।
बस वही तो मैं दे दूँ हाँ जी जितनी तारीफ की जाए तो कम है ये मेहनत करते हैं मेरे को लगता है 24 घंटे सिर्फ यही काम करते हैं
हम उनकी वाइफ आ रही है ज्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे।
Before we give the second gift to Narendra, there is a story behind it, and I want to tell Sunita Ahuja that this is for you. You know, if you read Mahatma Buddha's story, he left home at 29 years in the night without telling his wife. 8 years he achieved nirvana. Or whatever he did, I'm not getting into those religions. His father sent him a message, आपको यहाँ भी आना है। कहता आएंगे? वो आए तो किसी आश्रम में रहे। तो बाप कहता है मैं इतना बड़ा राजा हूं भैया। कपिला का आप कहाँ रह रहे हो? उन्होंने कहा मैं आपका बेटा बन के नहीं आया, मैं बुद्ध बन के आया। नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग उन्होंने भिक्षा मांगनी शुरू कर दी। अब इतना बड़ा राजा, उसका बाप, इतनी बड़ी उसको प्रॉब्लम हुई। कहते मैं भिक्षा मांग के खाता हूँ, भिक्षा मांग के। ये मुझसे मोदी वाली भिक्षा नहीं थी, वो जेन्युइन भिक्षा थी। तो उन्होंने पूछा जब वो महल में गए बुद्ध बन के कि यशोधरा कहाँ है, मेरी वाइफ? कहती वो तो यशोधरा कहती आपको जरूरत है मिलने आ जाना, मेरे को तो आपसे नहीं मिलना। आप तो मुझे बिना बोल के छोड़ के चले गए थे। What knowledge does, I'm going to tell you now. वो घर जाती, नॉक नॉक करती, अंदर से बोलती कौन है? वो खोलती है तो आगे उसका हस्बैंड है। हाँ बोलिए। कहती भिक्षा दे। उन्होंने अपना बेटा राहुल उनके हाथ में दे दिया। This is what a wife can do. She proved far bigger than Buddha.
Yes.
उसने कहा आप इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, अगर जो मुझे बता के जाते मैं आपको कभी नहीं रोकती। This what Sunita does for Narendra Modi.
अब इनको मिलना चाहिए, इनको मिलना चाहिए।
सामने आ जाइए।
इधर इधर आइए।
Yeah, she goes through a lot of pain. In the morning, she can't talk to her husband. He has to talk to us. And then late night, whatever.
love you. जैसे हम नरेंद्र
राजवीर जी।
बड़ी अच्छी बात है, ओपनली नहीं बोलते नरेंद्र जी को लव करते हो आप। देखो भाई।
सबसे बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन वाइफ का
हमेशा हाँ, सेक्रीफाइस इनका ज्यादा होता है, कंट्रीब्यूशन इनका ज्यादा होता है।
तभी तो बोलते हैं।
आपकी आंखों में
गीता जी आपके लिए
तभी तो बोलते हैं हर
क्योंकि
मर्द
आप
के
हमारे
पीछे
लिए
एक
बहुत
औरत
अच्छा खाना
होती है।
भेजती हैं, तो आपके लिए। उठा ले भाई।
नरेंद्र जी उठा पाएंगे, आप नहीं उठा पाएंगे।
So we can clap for hero of the group for 2025. Amandeep, thank you very much for being patient to hear me out. And I will request Mr. Asif Bhatia to concluding remarks before we start the academic session. Sir, आप इधर।
उनको मैं सामने देखना चाहता हूँ लोगों को, बजाय इसकी वो में।
नरेंद्र।
सर नीतिका बोलती है सर कहाँ से ढूंढ के लाते हैं, मैंने कहा सर से पूछिए कहाँ से ढूंढ के लाते हैं।
अरे इनको तुमने ढूंढा ना, ये बड़े कीमती हीरे हैं मैडम।
नहीं ये तो ढूंढ लिया, इसके अलावा जो देते हैं, वो कहाँ से ढूंढते हैं?
वो भी वैसे ही ढूंढते हैं।
यादें ऐसी दी जाती हैं, अगर प्रोटीन चीज तो फिर क्या याद रहती है।
हाँ।
Friends, wishing you all a very, very happy, healthy, wealthy, prosperous and peaceful New Year. ईश्वर आप सबको